Calvin. Ang itisilay po ng malakas na malakas is, Happy Birthday. Okay, so sabi na ulit, Calvin! Happy birthday! Alright, so welcome Calvin here in McDonald's PRC once again. Let's give him a round of applause. Alright, so this time kids, I have a question. Who wants toys? Who wants toys? Ayan, about sa mga adults ko, sino gusto ng house and lot? Ayan, basta kaya po natin dalhin pa uwi mamaya, okay? Alright, so before we start, I'm going to introduce myself first. So my name is Kuya Brian, birthday partner for tonight, and your local store marketing representative. So if you need some assistance, just approach me, okay? So this time, Daddy and Mommy, to start our first game, I need 5 boys and 5 girls na adults for the adults game. Alright, so this time po, reminders po sa mga tatawagin po ni Mommy and ni Daddy, pag hindi po kayo tumayo, kayo po yung magbabayad ng bills mamaya. Okay? Alright, so for the boys, we have Sir Nico.
Oh, vlogger, oh.
And of course, together with Sir Louie. And then si Sir Carlo po. Alright, for the fourth one, we have Sir Bicoy. And last but not the least, we have Sir Christian. And for the girls, we have Nambani. Ayan, good to go si Madam. Hindi ka pa prepared, Madam? Ay, sige na, Madam, tayo ka na po. Ayan, for another one, Ma'am. Okay, for the next one, we have Ma'am Liana. And then for the third and fourth girl, we have Miss Lyra and Miss Hannah. And last but not the least for the girls, we have Ma'am Karina. Ayan, tayo na po lahat ng girls. Dahil pag hindi po kayo tumayo, sasabog po yung mga upuan nyo. Alright? Okay, so this time boys and girls, po tayo ng 2 lines. 1 line for the boys, then 1 line for the girls, then 1 line for the boys. Ayan. Dito po yung boys. Ayan, sa tapat ko. Alright then, adults, kindly move backward po. Atras po tayo ng konti. Ayan, atras po.